Welcome to the video on illuminated heat, the evolution of virtual flames. We will explore how technology creates visual fire for induction cooking. Induction heat is inherently invisible, which means users cannot visually confirm the power level. This lack of visual feedback can create a disconnect for some chefs. Technology simulates fire for two main applications. Engineers design flames for visual feedback while cooking, and they design flames for room heating in electric fireplaces. Virtual flame technology provides visual haptic feedback. LEDs project a simulated fire onto the cookware, and the light indicates the heat intensity. An internal coil creates a magnetic field, which then induces electrical resistance in the pan. This process is highly energy efficient, reaching about 90% efficiency. Manufacturers place LED arrays beneath the ceramic glass. These LEDs sync with the power controls, and the light reflects off the bottom of the pan to create the virtual flame. The virtual light changes instantly. Low power shows a small glow, and high power shows a large flame. This instant feedback allows chefs to achieve perfect, low simmer control. Compared to gas and electric, virtual flame technology offers instant response speed and a high safety profile, alongside a clear visual indicator from LED projection. Induction eliminates toxic gas emissions, like carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. Stoves can connect to renewable power grids, helping cooking become carbon neutral. The technology does require specific pans. They must contain iron or steel, have a polished surface to reflect light, and users must center the pan perfectly for the best effect. Virtual flame technology is currently a luxury feature. Brands target prosumer home chefs, with units costing between $2,500 and over $5,000. LEDs face a high heat environment, so engineers build sophisticated thermal shields. If the LED rings fail, they require specialized repair technicians. Virtual flames also act as a safety warning. The light signals residual heat in the glass, which provides a visual cue to prevent accidental burns. Virtual flames introduce augmented reality to cooking. Future stoves will project exact temperatures and use color shifts to indicate searing heat levels. Virtual flames bridge the past and the future. They preserve ancient human intuition regarding heat control while enabling modern energy efficiency.